Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. So today I have a Bombay and Cedar. I had this unboxing on my channel probably over a year ago, and then I've watched several of my YouTuber friends unbox it and I'm like, why did I ever cancel that box? So I started it up again. Do you want to see what's in here? Give me 1 second. So the routine is, if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like this video and its content, please subscribe. I so would appreciate it. Tap the bell button so that you get notified of all my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. And as always, if you're returning, you know how much I appreciate it. And you know all the fun unboxings that I do to see what's in my unboxing. So let's get into it. Bombay and Cedar is a monthly lifestyle box. I think they have two kinds. They have like their Premier Deluxe box that's like comes out to $53 because they do add shipping. And then they have a smaller one, I think is like $29 or $39, but the links will be below so you can check it out. There's, you know, no purchase required, just to check it out and look to see what they do offer. And they came out with a kind of like a beauty box, and I will leave the link to that video because I already posted that one, so you want to check that one out as well. So their boxes come different outside packaging as well, but they do come very nicely wrapped. So I hope you guys are all having a great week. I'm not sure when I'm going to post it. And one thing I can tell you about this box, it does smell great without even opening it. This is their, this is their April box. It shows you how far behind I am in my unboxings. So it comes with a nice book. At first I looked at it and it looks like a, I don't know if you can see, it looks like a repair guide for an appliance. But it's actually their book with everything that is in here. And I do like that. And the first thing that it has, oh, how fun is this? It's for your outlet, and it's the air freshener. And if you're new to my channel, my struggles with opening boxes and packaging, it's real. I can never get into them. I do have a scissors, but I'm not going to take this out. This looks like it's green or gray. It's so taped up. So, so I do carry a scissors, but it doesn't, I really need like a chainsaw or something to open my packaging. I just don't want to break it. So this is what it looks like, and you open it up. I'm not sure how it works, so it looks like it has, like it goes by the light, so it might just be a light that you don't have to put anything in here. I'll have to read the directions. So that's the first thing that's in my box. Have to keep it from rolling off the table. And there are directions. So that's nice. And it's also going to be in the book. And number 13, Pluggable Diffuser by Arome, and you just put essential oils, so that's really nice, and that retails for $15. So I can't wait to use that. And the next thing is a sponge gel and a Pedi Buffer with built-in cleanser, cleanse and buff all in one. And I opened a box, I'm not sure which box it was, and it had one of these in here, and I never heard of it. And everybody's like, I can't believe you never heard of it. And I was so excited to get it, and now I'm so excited because I got another one. And I'm not sure, it's 30 plus washes, and I was looking to see if it had a scent. But yeah, I'm so excited to keep it in the shower. But yeah, I had never heard of this before, so I am so excited to, I've heard of the ones that, you know, you wash your body with, but never the feet. And this is retails for between $9 and $16 and has peppermint and sea kelp to cleanse, buff, and polish. So I'm really looking forward to using that one. And I am going to pull out this next item because it's huge. And this is rose water and sage dish soap. We use, you know, your typical Dawn dish soap. So this will be nice to use, but look at the size of this bottle. So that is really nice. And I'll leave that here. And let's check the retail value of that one. Dish soap by Illume. Clean your pots, pans, and plates. And that is $12. And it supposedly is going to smell really nice. So I'm pretty excited to use that one. And then I got these things falling all over. And this is Midnight Paloma. Oh, that sounds nice, just saying the name. And not sure what's in here. Dry brushing, how-tos and benefits of dry brushing. Oh my God, this thing is so soft. I don't know, is this for your face? This is Facial Dry Brush by Midnight Paloma. Awaken your face first thing in the morning. Stimulate lymphatic drainage, tighten and tone. The benefits are endless. It retails for $22, and there's the directions in here, but this brush is so soft. Warm up the face, brush across your forehead, and repeat. You don't add anything to it. Wow. Comes with directions. Directions for dry brushing, but if you can just feel how soft this is. So I'm liking this. I thought I ordered the Maybach. Oh, this must be the essential oils that came with the thing that go on that little surface. So I have to be careful when I open my stuff. Then we have extra absorbent cleaning cloths, and they look like this. Earth friendly. You can see the color. Those are really pretty. I don't know if this box comes every 2 months or every month. I'll have to check on that. And cleaning cloths by Full Circle. These tear-free multitaskers that absorb up to 7 times their weight and can be reused again and again. and they're $4, so they'll go great with my dish soap. I'm just spilling these things all over. And there's lots more goodies. Oh, is that a face mask? We're getting face masks in like every box that we get. I'm not gonna put it on my face yet, but this looks like a face mask, and that's pretty cool. So I will take that. And the face mask, number 6, is reusable cloth face mask, and it is between $7 and $10 depending on which you get. And now I'm seeing the directions on how to put the oils in the thing there. I got so excited that. Let's have a book. This is definitely a fun box. And this looks like just a little bag with some goodies. I guess I'm supposed to get a gift together. And then we have a book, a lifestyle guide for co-creating a stylish, sexy, and sustainable world by Marcy Zaroff. I'll have to check this out. But it's a nice little, there's the author on the back. So I'll have to check into that. Since we're home so much more now that the COVID seems to be coming back here in Arizona. And these might be the oils. They always include a couple of essential oils. And of course, I have challenges with bags, boxes, pouches. And that's, oh my God, I can smell them. Lemongrass essential oils. Ugh. We have Thieves, and we have the lemongrass. It's a lemongrass that I smell because I think it opened in the bag, and this one I just dropped. So there's that one. They put them in nice little pouches. So we have those, and let's read about those. Thieves Essential Oil Blend, highly antiviral and antibacterial. This proprietary blend is excellent addition for any health-conscious individual. It's $21. Lemongrass, extracted from the leaves and stalks of the lemongrass plant. This oil is known for its powerful, fresh, and citrusy aroma, and that's $16. And the book retails for $17. And there's so much stuff, I gotta make sure I didn't forget anything. Nope, there's something moving around in here. Then we got, oh, this is the Amberella Organics Strawberry Basil. And gotta find this. Seed bearing lollipop. So it's filled with edible herbs and flowers. After eating, you can plant the biodegradable stick in soil horizontally, cover with a layer of topsoil, Water daily and grow a herb or flower. It's $2.25, so I guess the stick will grow something. Wow. So much for watching. Leave comments as to what you thought of my box. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.